How to delete a project in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using PhotoRoom and want to remove an old project from your workspace, first of all, open up the PhotoRoom application on your device and sign in. Once you're signed into the home page of PhotoRoom, go ahead and tap on Content at the bottom right corner to open up your designs or projects. From the list, find the project you want to delete and tap the three dots right above it. Now click Delete and you'll be able to delete the selected project. So deleting a project can remove the design from your PhotoRoom workspace, and that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.